Right, how's it going? So yeah, I have recently been to Germany, drove a couple tracks around there, which was a lot of fun. You're going to see a couple videos come out over the next couple weeks of me doing these tracks. But to start off, we've got me actually as a passenger going around Spa in Luke's Golf, which was a lot of fun, and you'll see in the video it was a bit of carnage, a bit of chaos. A lot of the drivers just all over the gaff, but it was a great experience. I did actually get to drive it, so you'll probably see that video next. But yeah, drop a like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. And yeah, let me know what videos you want to see more of. But yeah, enjoy this one hopefully, and I will see you in the next one. Right, what are we doing? We're moving forward.
We are moving forward.
We are about to go out on the Spa track for both our first times. So
Yes.
it's
Spa
going to be interesting.
Francorchamps.
Yeah. It's going to be interesting. We're going to obviously take it easy the first lap or two.
Yes. Yeah.
And just kind of know our bearings, and then
Yeah, pretty much.
and we'll see what happens.
Yeah, absolutely. It should be good. The clouds are looking pretty ominous, but hopefully they stay away. But yeah, we'll see what it's like. We're practically all ready. Race mode, traction off, up to temp. Also, I fully appreciate I look so stupid in this helmet, so if everyone can just kind of relax with the comments on that, please. That'll be lovely.
Don't worry, they will take the piss out of me anyway.
Yeah, and me.
Look at us.
So we're literally joining at Eau Rouge. Oh, wristbands.
No idea what the ear thing was.
Probably said don't be noisy, but I'm on a track, so. We're on yellows anyway.
Oh yeah. I wonder if they'll keep that up for the first lap.
Possibly, yeah. Well, this is a bit pointless if it is literally just yellow flag.
I mean, it might just be for sighting,
Yeah.
and then they might drop it. How well do you know Spa, do you reckon?
I've never driven it, obviously, in real life.
Yeah.
But,
Going off games and that.
yeah, I've driven it quite a lot on games. This corner I always get wrong. So, yeah, just brace yourself when we go in there, all right?
So I have plenty of runoff.
Yeah.
See, this is the corner I always fuck up.
I don't know what everyone else is doing here. Everyone's kind of going quite slow. So. Well, this is interesting. It's just absolute chaos.
I feel like some distance will be put in between cars very soon.
Yeah. Don't turn. Oh my.
Oh, that's Citrus fucking Avenue!
I just remembered I'm on new pads. Oh well. I wondered why I could smell them.
That's fine. They've got to be worn in eventually.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Like, why sit in the middle of the track?
I know. Beep beep, coming through. Deary me. What is he doing?
I don't fucking know.
Flipping hell, mate, you need to go through the drive-through or something.
Mate, some of the Beatles here are sick.
Yeah, they are quite cool. What the hell is going on? Right.
Oh yeah, those brake pads are smelling fresh.
Yeah. Around the outside. Ha ha!
Yeah, back Porsche! How are you feeling?
Yeah, good. just being a little bit careful with the brakes.
Yeah, that's not.
It would be nice if some people move out of the way, though.
Yeah, I think they're missing that what the blue flag was.
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? I think I'll call it off a little bit there.
Yeah,
That is chaos.
bloody hell.
That is absolute chaos.
I'll tell you what though, you like obviously came out behind some. You hunted people down and overtook people that went out way before you. So you've done like fucking shit.
That was good fun. I mean, those were literally my first, like, what? Laps?
Yeah, that's
That is chaos.
but also incredible. Like
Oh,
we were very much in a pack and you fought out there so well. Half the
Yeah.
people don't seem to know what they're doing and just
Oh.
driving side by side.
mate, literally. Oh, my days.
Right, well I'll probably be stood here trying to get some flybys of you.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
But yeah, cheers for taking me out. I will.
That's all right,
Well, I was gonna say I'll see you soon. We're on holiday, so I'm gonna see you in like half an hour.
mate.
All right, that is probably gonna be it. Thanks for watching, Luke.
Mate, my pleasure. My pleasure. No worries.
Oh, shit. And for more adventures still to come,
Way!
subscribe.
Way!
Tell them.
Subscribe. Oh, yeah. Oh. Nah, you put me off now. You put me off.
You fumbled.
I did fumble.
Hampshire Photography, link in description. Not that you need it. And subscribe to me. And follow me on Instagram. I want to grow on Instagram.
Yes. I'm shattered after that.
I'll
That
shout at you in a minute. Wait, we're still recording.